welcome everybody in the online classes session. Today we are going to talk about the Vatrakta disease mentioned in Ayurveda. We can correlate it with gout in modern science. Word Vatrakt is made up of two, Vat and Rakt. The Vat is the chief, without which no any disease may take place. The Rakt is also a very important dhatu which gives nutrition body tissues and maintain them normal by eliminating toxins, mud, waste products throughout the natural offices of the body. Vatrat is a variety of Vatrog group of disease caused by Vayu. The disease which is caused by excessively aggravated Vayu and vitiated blood is called Vatrat. In Samhita mentioned that Vayu vivrudha vruddhena raktena avritapati krusanna sandhu syed raktam tagjay vatasonitam. So here visheshan of Vat and visheshan of Rakt take place. Also it known as Khuddrog, Vatbalas, Vatastra, and Adhyavat. Now, coming to etiology, the causative factor said by various acharyas may be divided into three categories. The first one is factor which aggravated the Vatrakt. Sukumaranam, Mishtanna Subhojinam, Achankramana Silanam. Mainly, this is very important. Sedentary lifestyle, excessive eating of unwholesome diet, tender physique, excessive intake of sweet food, sedentary habit and lazily eating, unwholesome diet and activities, and deteriorated disease. Long walking, excessive sexual activities, excessive physical activities, absence of sex and perversely sex, obesity, most oftenly fall into sad and often be angry. To take sleep during day and remaining awake at night. This is also viparya of Vat and aggravation of Vat factor. This is one quotation mentioned in our Charak Samhita. Lanam lakatushar snigdhoshna jirnan bhojane. This is the mainly etiological factor of the Vatra disease. This is dietary factors. Now we discuss about it. Intake of food before the previous meal is digested. Excessive intake of radish, kulat, maas, nispav, leafy vegetables, meat and sugarcane. Excessive intake of uncourteous and hot potential food, mane ushnavirya food. Intake of purified or dry meat or aquatic or marsh-land animals meat. So here mentioned the Suskambu Jhanu Anup Mas Penyaka Mulake. Excessive intake of sesamum indicum cake preparation. Diet unwholesome to season and accustomed ones. Intake of mutually contraindicated incompatible foods means viruddha. Improper administration of oleasan and other purification therapy means panchkarma viparya therapy. More intake of curd, kanji, suk, vinegar, preparation of dust barley, buttermilk and alcohol or wine. ये सारी चीज़ें हैं वो एग्रावेशन रक्त को दूषित करने वाली हैं. Factor which vitiated rakt and factor which vitiated vat. These two are most important in this Vatra chapter. Trauma, omission of the purification of the body, omission of the use of elimination therapy which are supposed to be done in routine during different seasons, partaking of food which cause burning sensation during digestion which are incompatible to the body. Factor which are aggravated in Vat means उसमें है कि excessive intake of astringent, pungent, bitter and ingredients. Intake of less food and abstinence of food. ज़्यादा भी food लेना या बिल्कुल food ना लेना. Great indulgence in vegetable which possess qualities like penetrating. Riding over elephant, horses, camel, vehicle drawn by for long periods, many ushtrayan एक्सेट्रा का जो वहन करना है वो. रिसोर्टिंग टू एक्वेटिक गेम्स, स्विमिंग एंड जंपिंग. Exhaustion by heat due to excessive warfarin in hot season. Indulgences in sexual intercourse, suppression of the manifest natural allergies, etc. ये सारे फैक्टर है वो वात और रक्त को दूषित करते हैं. नाउ कमिंग टू प्री क्लिनिकल सिम्टम्स. हियर इज वन कोटेशन गिवन बाय आचार्य. जानुजंगा उरुकटि सहत्य पादांग संधिसु. स्वेदोत्यर्थम नवाकाश्यम स्पर्शनागत्वम क्षतयति रूपम संधिशैथिल्यम आलस्यम सदनम पिंडिकोदष्टम. तो ये मेनली प्रीक्लिनिकल सिम्टम्स है वातरत के. तो इसको थोड़ा एलोबरेट करते हैं. द साइन एंड सिम्टम्स ऑफ उत्तान एंड गंभीर वातरत. टू टाइप ऑफ वातरत इज देयर, उत्तान एंड गंभीर, सुपरफिशियल एंड डीप. तो हियर इज वन कोटेशन. वैवणीयम मंडलोत्पत्ति वाताश्रुक पूर्वलक्षणम उत्थानमत गंभीरम द्विविधम ततः प्रचक्षते. तो त्वग्मासाश्रय उत्थानम गंभीरम त्वगांतराश्रयम. The signs and symptoms of the Uttan, superficial vata, are stated very similar by the Acharya Charak and Acharya Vagbhat, but the Stang Samgraha and Hriday stated one more sign, that is burning, penetrating sensation produced like mustard oil, means os like Vedana. These are itching, burning sensation, extension, pricking pain, throbbing sensation, and contraction. The skin becomes brownish, black, red, or coppery in color. Burning, penetration sensation produced like mustard oil. Also, it includes hard inflammation with stiffness, severe beneath edema, blackish or coppery coloration of skin, burning sensation, pertaining pain, quivering and suppression inside the edema. Aggravated vayu while causing pain and burning sensation at the site of the inflammation constantly moves with high speed throughout the joints, bones and bone marrow. Produced cutting pain, make the joint curve inward, and when this aggravated vayu moves to all over the body, result the person feeling like paraplegic. Now coming to treatment of the Vatrat. First line of treatment mentioned in Acharyas, like common like Virechya Snehayitvado, Snehayukta Virechane, Rukserva Mrudubhishastam Shrukam Bastik Karmacha, Sek Abhyang Pradeha Snehaha Prayo Avidahina Vatrakte Prasasyate. Acharya Charak and other Acharya have stated the treatment of Vatrat is very detailed, as initially oleation therapy should be applied to the patient of Vatrat, and after that, if the patient is slightly uncourteous, should be given purgation therapy with uncourteous ingredients, or when the patient is excessively uncourteous, should give purgation therapy with uncourteous ingredients. But this should be mild in nature, because sharp purgatives may excessively provoke the vat, means vat का प्रकोप कर सकते हैं अगर तीक्ष्ण विरेचन दिया तो, which will not be useful for the treatment of vatrat, but the repeatedly vasti karma, basti therapy, enema therapy, both niru and anuvasan will be more useful regarding the treatment of vatrat. The effusion massage pradeh may also be given. Now coming to principle for the treatment of Vatrat. Depending upon the severity in involved dosas and strength of the patients, Rakta moksha, bloodletting in small quantity should be done many times for the clearance of the path of the Vat and Rakta of the affected part of the body. Rakta moksha may be done by horn, leech, needle, gourd, scratching of the skin and venesection. Food and uncoated substances which do not cause burning sensation should also be given. Vasti is the best treatment of the Vatrat, and there is no any therapy useful in the comparison to Vasti regarding the treatment of Vatrat is mentioned in our Ayurvedic classics. Fermentation therapy should not be administration to those who are suffering from वात माने स्वेदन थेरापी अलाउड नहीं है. Here is the different type of रक्तमोक्षण therapy is given in classics. तत्र मुच्येत अश्रुकम श्रृंग जलोका सूची अलाबु प्रच्छान सिराकर्म सिरावेद. ये जो सारी थेरापी है वो दोस्त के बल से हिसाब से और पेशेंट के बल के हिसाब से करनी चाहिए. तो अब देखते हैं कि एक के बाद एक कौन सी थेरापी कब यूजफुल है. तो रक्तमोक्षण शुड बी डन इन एप्लीकेशन ऑफ द लीच व्हेन देयर इज अ पेन, बर्निंग, कोलिक पेन, प्रिकिंग पेन, रेडनेस प्रेजेंट एट अफेक्टेड जॉइंट. तो यहाँ पे बोला है रुग दाह सुल तोद अर्थ अश्रुग स्त्राव्य जलोकसन. नेक्स्ट वन इज रक्तमोक्षण शुड बी डन बाय द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ हॉर्न और गर्ड. मीन्स श्रृंग और तुम्बी के द्वारा कब करना है. तो देर इज अ नंबनेस, इचिंग, टिंगलिंग सेंसेशन, पेन एंड बर्निंग इज देयर. तो यहाँ पे सुप्ति, कंडू, चिंचिमायन जब हो तब श्रृंग का यूज करना है. जब एक देशोत्थित हो तो सिरावेद करना है. रक्तमोक्षण शुड बी डन बाय द स्क्रैचिंग ऑफ द स्किन, प्रच्छान और वेनासेक्शन. सिरावेद व्हेन द पेन मूव्स फ्रॉम वन पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी टू अदर. When the predominancy of the aggravated vayu produce emaciation of the limbs and uncutaneous of the body, रक्तमोक्षण should not be done. जब रुक्षता ज़्यादा हो और वात प्रकोप ज़्यादा हो तो फिर रक्तमोक्षण करना नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि वात प्रकोप होता है तो ब्लीडिंग ज़्यादा होता है. When due to depletion of the blood, the aggravated vayu produce the deep-seated edema, stiffness, trembling, disease of the ligament and vessels, asthenia and contracture, रक्तमोक्षण should be avoided. तो ये सारे रक्तमोक्षण के कॉन्ट्र मानी ब्लड लेटिंग थेरेपी के कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेशन है. एक्सेसिव रक्तमोक्षण प्रोड्यूस लैमनेस, डिसीज ऑफ द वायु एंड इट मे बी कॉज डेथ. सो it should be done in appropriate measures. The रक्तमोक्षण should be done in uncutaneous patient only. अब कुछ आयुर्वेदिक फॉर्मुलेशंस है जो वात रक्त डिसीज में यूज कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि बेस्ट है तो गुड़ हरितकी शुड बी कंज्यूम्ड रेगुलरली, डेली लेनी चाहिए रात को सुबह शाम. पिपली में बी यूज्ड इन इंक्रीजिंग डोज, इसको वर्धमान पिपली प्रयोग करते हैं, इसका बहुत अच्छा यूज है वात रक्त में. इंटेक्ट ऑफ द जूस ऑफ द गुड़ुची एंड पाउडर ऑफ द पेस्ट और डिकॉक्शन फॉर अ प्रोलॉन्ग्ड पीरियड. गुड़ुची इज द बेस्ट ड्रग, सिंगल ड्रग फॉर द वात रक्त डिसीज. Patoladi decoction of the guduchi with the errant tail. It is very useful. It is Rakta Sodhak and Vatanalomak is there. Nimbadi Churna. It is also Rakta Sodhak. Vatkantak Ras, Visveswar Ras, Sarveshwar Ras, Chandra Prabhavati, Sul Gajankus Ras, Guduchi Adi, Lochan. This also herbomineral formulation can be used. Amrutadi Guglu, Gesol Gugulu, Punavadi Gugulu, Trifla Gugulu, Semna Gugulu. Gugulu is also good, have Lekhan property and Sodhu property, also Vasamu property. So we can use Gugulu preparation also. All type of Guduchi preparations can be applied in this disease. Main grit like Pind Tail, Madhuk Tail, Satpad Madhuk Tail, Sukumar Tail, mainly mentioned in our classics like this type of problems. Now coming to pathya of this वात disease. क्या ले सकते हैं खाने में, क्या नहीं ले सकते हैं. For the patient suffering from the vata, the following are useful. The cereals like the old barley, wheat, a type of wild rice, and sali as well as the sustic sali type of rice can be used. Meat soup also can be given if the patient is non-vegetarian. Leafy vegetables like sunisna, tender branch of vetrak, Solanum nigrum leaves, Chinopodium album leaves, Bacilla rubla, Upodica leaves, and sourchal, scissors with grit can be given. Vegetables like carvelak, Memordica, Cherentia, Suran, ginger, Methika, Patol, Kusmand, Punarnava, bottle gourd, Khira, Aragvad, Guduchi. These all drugs are Raktasodhak. So we can use in this disease. Draksha, Raishin, castor oil, white variety of sugar can be used. Soup of adki chanak, masoor, mudag, added with grit. These all type of soup are very having digestive properties. So we can use with the grit for the Vatsaman and Raksodan. Milk of the cow, buffalo, goat, sheep. Following diet should be beneficial for a Vatra person. Limit poultry or fish, limited preparation. Cut back on fat, limit of avoid alcohol, limit or avoid food sweetened with high fructose corn soup. Choose complex carbohydrate. Choose low fat diet. Drink plenty of fluids. Now coming to apathy of this is sleep during the daytime is very contraindicated. Exposure to heat, excessive exercise, excessive sexual intercourse, excessive intake of the pungent, saline, sour, alkaline taste, hot, heavy diet habit, sugar cane curd, radish, alcohol, sesame oil, kanji, saktu, jackfruit, brinjal. These all are contraindicated in this disease. Meat of aquatic animal, any type of meat can be avoided. Incompatible diet should be avoided by the patient suffering from Vatra. Thank you for listening.